Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import a CabMaster file into VORTEK Spaces. We'll show you how to quickly export your CabMaster designs so they're ready for the preparation stage before your client presentation. To export your project, open the application menu, select Export, 3D Exports, then 3D Model File. This will open a dialog box. In this box, choose Call Out of Files extension KMZ and save your file in your client folder, or in whichever location works best for you. At this point, you're ready to bring your project into VORTEK Spaces. Click on Add New Project. Browse to the folder where your CabMaster project is saved. Select the KMZ you exported earlier, then click Open. In the Project Properties window, you can rename your project or keep the same name as the original KMZ file. Click Save to confirm. Your project is now ready to be transformed with real-time visualization. Check out the other tutorials to learn how to apply materials, add 3D accessories, adjust the lighting, and finally render photorealistic pictures and walkthrough videos. Here's a tip. If you need to make changes to your CabMaster project, there's no need to start over in VORTEK Spaces. Simply update your design in CabMaster, then export the file again using the same name in the same location. This will overwrite the existing KMZ file. VORTEK Spaces will automatically detect the changes and update your design while keeping all your materials, lighting, and scene customizations intact. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.